In my past video already we had ended our discussion, that is from Oersted experiment, that is if a current flows through a conductor, then surround that conductor there will be the magnetic field. Now when we are having a current carrying conductor and current passes through it, okay, when current passes through it, compass deflates, means there is a magnetic field. But what will be the direction of the magnetic field? So after so many experiments, scientists came to know few facts that there are few rules. Ampere's also developed said one rules, and also there is a right hand thumb rule. So by these two rules we can point out what will be the direction of the magnetic field. Now suppose we are having a wire, current carrying conducting wire. This is a current carrying conducting wire. Suppose this is a current carrying conducting wire. Now I current flow through it. Clear? I current flow through it. Now when I current flow through it, what will be the direction of the magnetic field? Remember, according to the right hand thumb rule, this is my right hand. See, this one my right hand. Okay. So if we hold the current carrying conductor in our right hand such that thumbs point in the direction of flow of current. So suppose this is my current carrying conductor. I am holding the current carrying conductor like this. How? Ki thumb point towards the direction of the current. So if thumb point towards the direction of the current, then what will be the direction of the magnetic field? Then the fingers encircle the wires in the direction of the magnetic field. See, if this is my current carrying conductor, so this is my finger, so this is the direction of magnetic field. Means this is the starting point, this is the ending point. This is the starting point, this is the ending point. In my note it is obviously given that what will be the right hand thumb rule. So if it is my, I can't draw finger, so if it is my current carrying conductor, so this is my current carrying conductor, I am holding the conductor like that, and obviously my finger will encircle the conductor like that. So this will be the direction of magnetic field from this direction to this direction. This will be the direction of the magnetic field. Clear? Current is flowing from where? So if it is X, it is Y. Current is flowing from X towards Y, and this is the direction of the magnetic field. This is the right hand thumb rule. By that we can say, okay, this is my right hand, this is my current carrying conductor's direction, magnetic field direction in a current carrying conductor. Now coming for another rule, that is called clock rule. This is what? This is called right hand thumb rule. Clear? Next one is clock rule. Let's see what is clock rule. So clock rule basically, if you see a conductor from outside, means you are having a conductor, you are viewing that conductor from outside. So what is happening, that looking at the face of the loop, loop means through which, suppose I am having a circular loop. Now this is my loop, circular loop I am having, through which current is passing. So here I am having a connection of battery. Clear? This is suppose positive terminal of the battery, this is negative terminal of the battery. So this is positive, this is negative. So when positive terminal and negative terminal is joined, so current is obviously passing like that. So what will be the direction of the magnetic field? See, looking at the face of the loop, if the current around the face is in anti-clockwise direction. What is clockwise direction? What is anti-clockwise direction? See, we know in clock what is happening. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Like that the numbers are there. Clocks move along this direction, means if it is 1, then small hand is here, big hand should be here. Clear? 2 means always it is moving from this direction to this direction. Clock is not moving like that 12, 11, 10, no. 12, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 again, then 1. So it is always moving. This direction is called clockwise direction and opposite of this direction is called anti-clockwise direction. So this is the clockwise direction, this is anti-clockwise direction. So if current's direction is if I am facing the conductor like this, I am viewing the conductor like this. When I am facing the conductor and current flow in the conductor in anti-clockwise direction. Now tell me, if this is positive terminal, this is negative terminal. So current will flow clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction? Here current will flow what? Clockwise direction means positive towards negative, current will flow. Clear? So let's take an anti-clockwise direction, so I can come here also. So if I am having the same connection like this is negative terminal, this is positive terminal. So here this is the connection, positive, negative. So right now the current is flowing anti-clockwise direction. Clear? If the current is flowing in anti-clockwise direction, then the phase has a north polarity, while if the current at that phase is in clockwise direction, the phase has a south polarity. Means for this direction if current is flowing like that, so this portion, okay, means if you are having conductor, so I am showing you, if the wait for a while, I am showing you a conductor, so it will easy to visualize. See, in 3-dimension picture, this is my conductor. You can see this is the face portion, this is the back portion of the conductor, this is the face portion, this is the face portion, this is the back portion conductor. Means I am at the back portion. So what they are telling, if current is flowing anti-clockwise direction, means if current is moving like this and this, clear, from this direction to this direction. So phase, who is the phase? This one is the phase. Then see this phase, I am showing you. This is the face portion, this is the back portion. So the phase will be what? North polarity, means this will be the north pole. Okay, this will be the north pole and back portion will be the south pole. When if the current flows in anti-clock direction, so this is the north pole, this will be the south pole. If the reverse happen, then this will be the south pole, this will be the north pole. Clear? Again repeating, if current is flowing anti-clockwise direction, means like that current is flowing, so this side will be what? North pole, the back side will be the south pole. Now remember, in exam na, especially few of you, especially Jyotiraditya and all, please don't write like back portion from front portion. Okay, no, face clock rule, whatever written, please write. So this is the face portion, this is the back portion. For your better understood, I am using this kind of word. So this is the face portion, this is the back portion. So this will be what? This will be that north pole, this will be the south pole. And if current flow clockwise direction, this will be south, this will be north. Remember that. So why I am telling? Because see, when I am using right hand thumb rule, I get only circle, but which one is north, which one is south? So I can write now, if this is my conductor, so if current is flowing anti-clockwise direction, so this front side is north pole, so this is the direction of magnetic field. Clear? North to south, done. So this is north pole, north towards south it is going. If it is current flowing clockwise direction, so this is south, means from back to front it is coming. Clear? South, north to south always coming. So this is the direction of the current flow. Can you imagine this one? This is south, this one is north. Done. So this is the clock rule and previous one is right hand thumb rule. Another rule obviously we will study, that is called that is Ampere's swimming rule. see Ampere swimming rules. What is Ampere swimming rule? This is also the same, that is regarding the direction of the magnetic field. That is, if a man is imagined to be swimming along the weir in the direction of the flow of current with his face turned towards the needle of the compass, then the north pole of the compass will be deflected towards its left hand. Now see what will, this is the direction of the current. Now another thing is telling, if I am asking what will be the deflection of the compass, means when current is flowing, here suppose I put a compass, clear? So this is north pole, this is south pole. How does the deflection occur? Now according those who have already studied magnetic field or magnet a little bit in our previous class, we know that same pole repel each other and opposite pole attract each other. We know that same pole repel each other and opposite pole attract each other. So if same pole repel each other, then obviously if here is my north pole and back side is my compass, so that north and north will deflect. So that side will be the south and the front side will be the north, the deflection of the compass. So the Ampere swimming rule basically telling us not about which one is the north pole, which one is the south pole. They are telling about what will be the direction of the compass. So let's see that one. So if I am having a current carrying conductor, here I am showing. So this is my current carrying conductor. Don't laugh because I am not a good painter. So this is my, for me, this is my human being. So he is swimming. He is swimming like that. This, he is the human being for me. So he is swimming. So when he is swimming, what is happening? When we are swimming, this is our left hand, this is our right hand. So this is left hand, this is right hand. Clear? What is happening? If the compass previously parallel. So right now this is my compass. Not current flow started. Still now current flow hasn't started. So this is my compass. This is my compass. Now when current flow started, that what is happening, that the direction of the needle of the compass, north pole of the compass will be deflected towards its left hand. Means this was the position of the compass when current flow not started. Now when the current flow will start, this will be the deflection of the compass. The compass is right now like this. This is north, this is south. Clear? So what we had studied today, we had already studied Western experiment. Which one tell us what regarding that if through a conductor current is flowing, so that time that magnetic field generate. And next three rules are right hand thumb rule, clock rule and Ampere swimming rule. In these three rules, what we had studied? We had studied that if current flow through a direct conductor, then which one will be the north pole, which one will be the south pole, and through which direction the compass will be deflected. Thank you, class.